Here's my reset button. Stand up, executives. Do you solemnly swear to protect us as your representatives? If you do, say I do. Do you solemnly swear to make decisions that are in the best interest of every distributor in this club? If so, say I do. Do you solemnly swear to make sacrificial decisions that are in the best interest of my children's children? If so, say I do. Do you solemnly swear that everything that you put into our product, into our opportunity, into our compensation plan, into our training will be in the best interest of us as your distributors? If so, say I do. I do. Then I do too.